Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching from. My name is Mo Friday. I'm gonna be showing you how you can locate your provider's dedicated account to you, okay, on your platform. So if you're on your platform or your interface as I am right now, okay, I'm gonna make it quick and easy. So this is my this is what you will also see once you log into your Qedplus account. So I'm using my phone and I'm on a browser right now. So I'm going to click on this three dotted line here at the top. Let me move my mouse cursor. I'm going to click on this three dotted line here. So once I click on that, it opens up this interface. You will see fund account. Okay, from here, fund. I click on fund account. Once I click on fund account, it opens up this interface. So you can see instant auto wallet funding. So you see this account, this provider's account is dedicated to me. As I can see, this account number is dedicated to you. You can save this account as beneficiary on your banking app to make transfer even easier. Remember, you can also transfer via bank USSD. Stamp duty of 15 naira applies for every transfer. Okay, so that is that. So this other payment here is when you want to pay through pay stack. This other payment here, if you're using this process, this is payment method number one, direct instant auto funding. This other one here, online payment, is payment number two, where you this payment you are good. If you click on this, you are going to make payment through pay stack. Okay, and the maximum payment here is 2,500. But using this first method where your account balance is showing you here, the maximum payment is 100,000 naira and the minimum payment is even 500 or 1,000 naira. So, and this is the third method where you can transfer to the company account QD Tech Services. But once you follow this approach, you have to fill this form to notify the admin that you have made deposit. So the fastest way is the first one, which can collect any amount. This other one, maximum of 250, is also fast too, and it's third one in the list of them all. So thank you so much. I believe this has been informative and I believe this has been helpful. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye bye for now.